All right. So all we're doing is passing E to this function and console logging E. And E it's the click event itself. So I need to open a different. Where's my box? Doesn't have any CSS properties. Cool. So when I click on it, oh, let's do some debugging. This is what we practice, right? So add event listener. I have a bug right from the beginning. So let's see what this is. Cannot read property add event listener of null. So null is different than undefined. Null is, in this case, it's like we tried to define it, but it wasn't defined. What happened was get element by ID looked for an element with the colorful ID, but couldn't find it, so it returned null. So now box is null. So what this error is saying, cannot read property event add event listener of null, is hey, you defined your box wrong. So let's look at how we can select that box. So ID, let's give it the ID box.
I'm going to record this for Lynn. Is that okay?
Yeah, sure, but I'm recording it too.
Oh, gotcha.
And I'll put it on the YouTube playlist. Cool. So we want to get it by which ID? Box, yeah. So I was selecting that wrong. That's why I was getting the null. Add event listener of null. Now let's go check it out, see if we get any errors. We're looking better. Let's see if our console log is going to work for us. And it is. So it's a mouse event. And it has all these properties. It even tells us where on the screen we clicked. So like event.mousex. So we can know exactly where the user clicked. It has all these different things. The most important property for an event, I would say, is .target. So this is the event. In our code, we're calling it E. But we can see it has a .target. So I'm going to console.dir that target. Don't let me forget to look at the .dir problem. So now it's the target of the event, which is this box. So in this is always the target of the event. Whatever we did add event listener to, that's the target. So now we have access to the target, and we can do anything we want to it. We can change its styles. So event e.target.style.
So essentially we're just reversing the object.
Yeah. Yep. All right, so, oh no. Definitely has a background color. e.target.style .background color. Huh, it is an empty string. Let's see. Background color. I have no idea. JavaScript's weird right now. But if we can set its background color, I think it's because, yeah, I have no idea. I'll have to investigate further why it didn't log a background color. But now when we click, hopefully I can change the background color to red. Okay, cool. So that's E. Any questions about E or E.target?
Is there an article on it?
On E and E.target? I will look for one. But so the event workbook, I'm not going to assign as an official assignment, but I think it is helpful, and it goes into, it has kind of some, yeah, it helps us understand E and E.target in the scope of events. So yeah, I'll break for lunch, and we'll do the DOM manipulation Olympics after lunch. Like it, or go over it as a class. What's that? Oh, yeah.
I can bring it. I think it's just like we're trying to change our secretary before we get up.